Alright guys, absolutely miserable day here. It started off nice this morning. I was out with my daughter for a bit and then just came out this afternoon. Typical, it started raining, the clouds came on, but not enough to put me off. So I've got the Mojave out round the track. Obviously rocking its new paint job. It's all up sort of service, new diffs and things in it. So I've got a 22 pinion as well, so it's going absolutely rapid. But yeah, I'll show you the car just now. You can see it needs a good clean, but honestly, what a blast that's been. The car's going absolutely amazing. Suspension seems spot on, everything. So, like I say, I've got the drone up in there, got loads of different camera angles. Hope you enjoy this footage, and I'll get another video out soon. So, if you're not already, please subscribe, like the video, and yeah, I'll get more stuff with the Mojave out soon, and probably the big Creighton 8S with its new shell as well. So, catch you guys later. Have a good day and stay safe, and yeah, enjoy the video. Bye.